No! Not again.
It's not funny, Dan.
Cruel, cruel world.
Dan, it's not funny.
I know.
Not even remotely.
Oh, that's all.
Hiccups the second.
See you on YouTube, you cunts. No. Oh, Jesus, multiple angles.
Ladies and gents, Short Our Studios bring you Dan's Evil Hiccups, the second coming.
Trust me, they'll be coming.
Oh, crap.
You shouldn't have drunk that pint of jizz.
So did you swallow?
Oh, God.
Hey, Dan.
Fuck off.
I love the smell.
Oh, raping ass.
I love the smell.
Oh, yeah! Alright, I'm done.
I'll turn you off anyway. Turn you off men for life.